This is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 10, Problem Set Debrief. So I did my estimation, renamed my number into tenths, did my partial products using the area model. Yes, I can find my partial products in my standard algorithm, solved, moved my decimal back into my answer. Part B, I rounded, I renamed my number into tenths, did the area model type of multiplication in order to get partial products. Then I was able to find the partial products in my standard algorithm. Once I got my answer, I moved my decimal right back into place. For problem 2, A and B, I estimated. Then I used standard algorithm, and yes, that was a reasonable rounding. Over here, an estimation. 3 times 90 is 270. Yes, that was a reasonable estimation. Then for C, D, E, and F, rounded. Here, down here, you'll do your standard algorithm, and that's it. Make sure to move your decimal back into place and check to see if your estimation is reasonable with your actual answer. 15 times 20, and then I renamed my number in order to multiply without my decimal. And then the same thing here. I renamed, and multiplied. Down below, Michelle did something incorrect. 3 times 50 is about 150. So she said a reasonable, just by going through the estimation process, I should know that my answer should be around 150. She said it was 1,768. So she definitely made a mistake, probably because she didn't remember to put a decimal back in there. So if I rename my tenths and do my multiplication, then over here I did standard algorithm, and I got 1,768. Then I moved my decimal back in and got 176.8. She forgot she was working with tenths is the issue. Part 4, a wire is bent, so perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side. And we know that each side is, we don't find that out quite yet. So we come over here and rename our decimal into tenths and multiply, and we end up with 820 plus 3280. And if you do standard algorithm, you find the same partial products. Now, over here, we're going to move our decimal back into place because it has to be tenths. So we have to go back into and make sure there's a number in the tenths. So 4.1 plus 4.1 plus 4.1 plus 4.1 is going to be your answer. All right, so I hope this helps you as you move through the exit ticket, and especially as you move through these last 2 word problems. Don't make sure you absolutely get those word problems done. All right, I'm sure you'll do great. Good luck.